In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your HubSpot API key. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step so you can integrate HubSpot seamlessly with other tools and services. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the login option. This will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have them handy as we're going to dive straight into it. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. It's here that we begin our journey to secure that all-important API key. Your next step is to click on Integrations, which you can usually find in the Account Settings menu. The Integrations section is essential as it's where you manage how HubSpot connects with other applications. Once you are in there, look for the Private Apps option. Clicking on it will lead you to a section dedicated to creating custom private apps tailored specifically for your needs. In the Private Apps area, you'll want to click on Create a Private App. Don't worry, this process is simpler than it sounds, and I'll walk you through it. After clicking, you'll see an option labeled Scopes. Scopes are critical as they define the permissions your app will have, essentially setting boundaries on what it can and cannot do within your HubSpot account. Click Add New Scope to begin specifying these permissions. You'll now have a range of options to choose from. Select the scope that best fits your integration requirements. It's important to choose wisely because this determines the access level your new tool will have. If you're unsure, consider the types of data and operations the integration will need to perform. When you're satisfied with your choices, you'll want to click Update to save those settings. With your scope set, it's time to create app. This action finalizes the app setup on HubSpot's end. You'll be prompted to continue creating to proceed. Following this, you'll be redirected to a page dedicated to your newly created app. Here you'll notice a couple of crucial actions: copy and show token. It's vital to handle this information carefully as it represents access to your HubSpot account. Click copy to save your API key somewhere secure or paste it directly into your integration tool. Finally, click show token to reveal your API token if necessary, ensuring you have all the information required for integration. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated the HubSpot interface to create a private app and obtain your API key. Remember to keep this key secure and only share it with trusted services. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.